So today I'm going to try to introduce my bird TT to Olaf. So they have seen each other for quite a bit of time, but they never really get close to each other. So today I'm going to try to use treats and to see how close they can get close to each other. So as you can see, TT is a little bit of afraid, but you know, it's just taking time for them to get close. So I'm slowly giving them treats. So the ball is for TT and the liquid treat is for Olaf. And as you can see, TT is trying to check out Olaf and see what that giant cat is doing here. And as TT is working out his treat, I am going to feed Olaf. And I'm going to slowly move Olaf closer and keep on getting them as close as I can. Yep, and I'm going to keep on feeding my cat. Getting a little bit of closer. See how close they can get together. So they seem to be pretty calm and focus on their food. So now they are really close. As TT is like, what is this big guy's doing here? And wait for the next moment because it's kind of funny. So when I get them really close, TT is really checking Olaf out. And then he's moving backward a little bit, and of course he has to grab his treat. So while he's working on his treat, I just keep on pushing. Here we go. They're almost face to face. And the next thing is funny. TT is going to inhale everything. Oh, yep, inhale everything. And that's it. Thanks for watching.